Want to save time and boost productivity? Here's how to automate daily tasks using Notion AI. So first, download the Notion AI. Make sure that you're updated to the latest version. So go ahead and open up the Notion AI. All right, you can use the suggestions at the bottom right here. You're gonna see the prompts, and you're gonna see the suggestions provided by AI. Right here, you're gonna see to-do list, and you can add your to-do list. Lots of example: cooking, hiking, reading a book, whatever it might be. Right? You can use prompts like to-do list or organize your task or your priority. You could just change the text and save it however you want. So next, what you're gonna do, you can go to the pencil at the bottom right, and you can use a weekly plan. By selecting a weekly plan, you can go to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you're gonna put your own schedule, right? So basically, you can summarize all of that into certain activities. Like Monday, I have 3 things to do. Tuesday, I have 3 or 4 things to do, right? And so on. So start integrating Notion AI into your workflow today and make daily tasks a breeze. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media. We will definitely see you in the next one.